How are you? Okay, I think you're nice. Before starting the lesson, I will explain one thing for you. You have to remember these are the things, okay? You know that is yes, yes, yes. It's not a computer SMS. Okay, it's not a computer SMS. Yes is nothing but a social distance. This is nothing but a social distance. How much social distance you have to maintain? Person to person, minimum 6 feet. 6 feet distance we have to maintain. Okay. Next, mask. Wear the mask. You must wear the mask. Any mask. So in the market, so many masks are there. You have to wear the mask. Next one is soap. Use soap. Use soap for washing your hands. So these things you have to follow every day. To maintain the social distance when you are going outside, you have to maintain, and you have to wear the mask. Okay. Next, you have to wash your hands with soap. So this is very important thing you have to keep in your mind, because we are facing the lot of problems with corona. You know, corona is a COVID-19. Okay. Now we start the lesson. Now we start the lesson. So in the 8th class, up to 7th class we learn physics and biology both combined in one textbook. Now 8th class onwards there is a separate textbooks will be there. So that is biological science and physical science. Okay, biological science and physical science. Okay. Now we'll see what are the topics are covered in the textbook. In the first lesson we'll see now. Okay. First lesson name is what is science? What is science? What is science? Can you tell me what is the science? Can you tell me what is the science? Science is nothing but a system of thinking. System of thinking is a science. Science is system of thinking, nothing but a system of thinking. Before that, you know the computer? You know the laptops? You know the cell phones? So, these all things are discovered by the scientist only. What is the meaning of scientist? The person who studies the science, that is called scientist. Okay. Now you can see, not only that, you can see the space elements like stars. Those things also discovered. How many planets we have. So like that, so many things are there. Those are also discovered by scientists only. Not only that, even the hybrid food grains and medicines and robotics also. Robotics, medicines, hybrid seeds, these all things are discovered by the scientists only with the help of the science. Okay, so science is nothing but a system of thinking. If you see different scientists, we can see what are the scientists are there. First we'll discuss about the ecologist. What are the scientists are there? First scientist is ecologist. Ecologist. Ecologist is the scientist. He studies about the observing the behavior of behavior of different organisms behavior of different organisms he will study. He is a scientist. Behavior, how they behave, which each animal, how they behave, how they take the food, where it will go, how they reproduce. So like that, those things will be observed, that Discovery channels, or National Geographical channels, Animal Planets. Those scientists will be there now. Those scientists will observe these all the things. That is called ecologist. Now you can see next scientist is geologist. He is a scientist. He will study the science. Okay, geologist. Geologist is nothing but the scientist. He will make he can observe the minerals and fossils. He will observe what are the minerals which are present in the soil. What are the minerals which are present in the soil? You will observe. Geologist will observe. What is the meaning of mineral? Gold is a one mineral. Diamond is a one mineral. Silver is a mineral. Uranium and thorium, and these all even the coal also mineral. So he will dig the soil and he will observe all the things. So that is called a geologist. What is the meaning of fossils? Fossils are nothing but died animals like Jurassic. Dinosaurs? Jurassic era. In that period, how the dinosaurs lived on the earth. How much big they are. Like that they will dig the soil. They will observe the skeleton of that dinosaur. Those are called fossils. Died plants and animals which are buried under the soil. Those will be observed by these geologists. Science is nothing but a observation. Study nature. You have to study the nature. You have to observe the nature. So what is happening in the nature? So those things nothing but a science. That is system of thinking. Next we will go to the next scientist is, we will see about astrophysicist. Next scientist is astrophysicist. Next scientist is astrophysicist. Next scientist is astrophysicist. Astrophysicist. So here you can see astrophysicist. The scientist, he can photograph the stars and planets, distant galaxies and distant galaxies. He will observe the stars and galaxies. Stars and galaxies. Stars and galaxies. You will observe the stars and galaxies. Just you can see. He is a scientist, astrophysicist. He will observe the stars. Stars. Thousands and lakhs of stars are there in the space. How much distance from the earth? They will see. And not only that, you will see the galaxies. What is the meaning of galaxies? Are nothing but a group of stars. Okay, Milky Ways. How many solar systems are there in the space? How many planets are there in our solar system? Okay, like that, those things will be discussed, and distance, how much distance it will be there. Recently, we already when one eclipse we saw, solar eclipse. Okay, how they are happened? Between the sun and the earth, there is a moon came. So that's why we are faced that that is solar eclipse. So like that, those things will be they will be studied by the astrophysicist only. Understood? I think you got some idea about what is the meaning of scientist. Scientist is nothing but a study of the nature. Study of the nature. How they study? With the help of one system, that is system of thinking. That is called science. Okay. Now we'll see the next one is climatologist. Next scientist is climatologist. Next scientist is climatologist. Next scientist is climatologist. If you see the climatologist, what he will do? Weather and he will make the changes in the environment. He will study the weather. He will study the weather and climate. He will study the weather and climate. Listen, the climatologist is nothing but he will study the weather and climate. What is the weather and what is the climate? Both are similar meaning. Today's weather, cloudy, somewhat cloudy. It's a rainy season. If you go in summer, weather will be hot. Okay? If you see in winter, weather will be cool. But what is the climate? Climate is nothing but they will take the data from the 20 years data they will take. More than 20 years data they will take. Example, if you go Jammu Kashmir, the climatic conditions are cool always. Throughout the year it will be cool. That is climate. If you go desert region, throughout the year it will be hot, will be there. So that is called climatic conditions. So like that, climatic conditions are monitored by these climatologists. And the weather conditions, today rainfall will be there. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, forecasting of the weather. They will forecast and they will tell there is a cyclone in the Bay of Bengal. So they will see all the conditions which is happening on the earth, in the sky, in the climate, what is happening. So like this weather conditions. In weather, what they will see? They will see rainfall. They will see how much rain will fall today or tomorrow, day after tomorrow. They will forecast temperatures today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Temperatures, humidity. So like that, these things will be observed by these climatologists. Okay. Next we'll discuss about these are the outside of the lab. These scientists will be there. They will be there outside of the lab. What's the meaning of lab? Lab is nothing but some equipment will be there inside that person. They will do some experiments. In the lab, they will do some experiments. Some microscopes will be there. Some instruments will be there. So with the help of that, he will do the experiments. Okay? So generally, science have two type of scientists. Outside the lab and inside the lab. Outside the lab and inside the lab. Outside the lab, you can see ecologist will be there outside of the lab. Only we go to the forest. You have to go to the desert region. You have to go in the water, inside the water, and you have to observe. You can see the geologist. You have to dig the soil, and you have to see the minerals. You have to see the fossils. And if you see in astrophysics also, you have to observe the stars, you have to observe the planets. Okay. Next you can see the climatologist, you have to observe the weather and climatic conditions of the particular places, different places on the earth. So this is outside of the lab. Next we will go to the inside of the lab. Inside of the lab, what are the scientists will be there? What he will observe, what they will do, we will discuss. Okay? Just note down these topics. Okay? Note down these topics related to science. Okay? Next I am rubbing the board. Next, inside of the lab. In the lab only. Okay. So if you see, next inside of the lab, chemist. Inside of the lab, chemist will be there. Chemist is nothing but the scientist. He studies about the chemical reactions. Okay, next scientist we can see nuclear physicist. Nuclear physicist. He will studies about the angular movement of particular particles. Angular movement of electrons. Okay. Next you can see biologist. You know already what the biologist will do. Okay. Biologist you can see he will observe the behavior, reaction of a particular tissue. Tissues he will study. Tissues and cells. Tissues and cells he will study. Okay. Next, okay, these are the scientists. These are the scientists inside the lab. Okay. Chemist, he will observe the chemical reactions. Chemical reactions. What is a chemical reactions? Okay. One chemical, if you are adding another chemical, how much time it will take to react each other? Example, take one glass of the water, take 1 tablespoon of the sugar and dissolve it. Okay. So this is called chemical reactions. Okay. So many are there in chemistry they will study. Chemist and druggist you can see outside Apollo Pharmacy. In that medicines will be there. The medicines are developed by this chemist only. Next, nuclear physicist. They will study the movement of electron inside the atom. What is the meaning of atom? I will explain afterwards. Okay. Next, you can see the biologist. He will study the tissues and cells. Our body is made up of cells. Our body contains tissues. How they will be arranged in our body. Skin, under the skin, what will be there? Muscles under bones will be there. Blood will be there between that. How it will be move in our body. Like that they will study biologist. So inside the lab, the scientist will be there. They will do the experiments. Outside the lab and the inside the lab. Homework is, so you have to read the topics which are covered in the first page. Page number 1. Page number 1. Read and practice. Because in this lesson there is no question answers. Question answers will not be there. End of the textbook also, end of the text, we cannot find any question answers. So that's why, so in the material or in the workbook it will be there. But just read the page number 1 total. Already I told what is there already. Read and practice in workbook. Okay? In workbook. Thank you, children.